And it shall be, when thou shalt hear a sound of going in. From First Chronicles chapter 14, verse 15, is a powerful phrase reminding us to be attuned to divine signals in our lives. The sound of going in represents a moment when God prompts us to act with purpose and courage. This can be a whisper in your heart, a sense of peace guiding your decisions, or an opportunity aligning with your faith. Today, take a moment to quiet your mind and listen for those subtle signs. When you feel that nudge or hear that sound, step forward with confidence, knowing that God goes before you. Trust in His timing, and let faith guide every move you make. If this message touched your heart, please follow, like, comment, and share.